larger pipes, this right angle bend, when we measure if it hooks, under the condition of 100%. Sometimes when using a framing square, it definitely won't reach. First, so use the framing square time.